Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry Refresher Course Model Unit 9 Periodic Properties. After seeing this video, we come to know about define periodicity in properties, define various periodic properties like atomic radii, ionic radii, ionization energy, electron affinity and electronegativity. Explain the trend in periodic properties along the periods and group. Periodicity in properties. The periodic recurrence of physical and chemical properties of elements in the periodic table after regular intervals is termed as periodicity. Periodic properties: atomic, ionic radii, ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity. First, we are going to discuss about one by one atomic radii. Atomic radius of an atom is defined as distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost cell containing the valence electron. The unit for atomic radii is angstrom. 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Come to covalent radius. It is defined as half of the distance between the adjacent nuclei of two covalently bonded atoms of the same element in a molecule. For example, in H2 molecule, these two are nuclei of two hydrogen atoms. In H2 molecule, the distance between two hydrogen nuclei is 0.74 angstrom, and this is the radius of first hydrogen, and this is the radius of second hydrogen. When we add these two radius, we will get the distance between the two nuclei. R plus R equal to 2R equal to D, R equal to D by 2. D by 2 means D 0.74 by 2 equal to 0.37 angstrom. Metallic radius. It is defined as half the distance between the nuclei of adjacent metal atoms. Periodic trend in atomic radii. Atomic radii, when you move from left to right, decreases, and in group, when you move from top to bottom, atomic radius increases. What is the reason? The increase down a group is due to the increase in the valency cell number down the group. So when you move from top to bottom in any group, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost cell increases. At the same time, the last electron is added into the different orbit. Therefore, on moving top to bottom, atomic radius increases. In period, left to right, the cell number remains the same. That means electrons are added to the same electronic level, but the number of proton increases in the nucleus. Increase in positive charge imposes a strong attraction over the electron, and thus the electron cloud shrinks towards the nucleus, which results in the decrease in the atomic size. Come to ionic radius. It is defined as the distance from the center of nucleus and the ion up to the point where it exerts its influence on the electron cloud of the ion. Periodic trend in ionic radii, like atomic radii, left to right, in period decreases, top to bottom in group increases. This is an example of a positively charged cation and a negatively charged ion. Radius of cation, radius of anion. When we add these two radius, we will get the distance between the cation, nuclei of cation and anion. Come to the ionization energy deals with the removal of electron, deals with the formation of cation. This is applicable for metal. Ionization energy is the minimum energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom in its ground state to form a cation is called ionization energy. It is otherwise called ionization enthalpy. It is measured in kilojoule mole power minus 1. An atom in gaseous state lost one electron. The amount of energy supplied to the isolated gaseous atom to remove an electron to form a cation is called ionization energy. Periodic trend. When you move from left to right, the ionization enthalpy increases, top to bottom decreases, and ionization energy is inversely proportional to size of the atom. In period, atomic radii or size of the atom decreases, hence the electrons are tightly bound, so more energy is required to remove the electron, but down the group, size of atom increases, hence the electrons are loosely bound, so lesser energy is required. Come to electron affinity, it deals with the formation of anion. Usually non-metal gain electron to becomes the noble gas electronic configuration. It is defined as amount of energy released when an isolated gaseous atom gains an electron to form its anion. It is measured in kilojoule mole power minus 1. An atom in gaseous state gain electron becomes negatively charged ion. Electron affinity is an exothermic reaction. Ionization energy is an endothermic reaction. Chlorine in its valency cell containing 7 electron easily gain 1 electron becomes 8 electron. Electron affinity in period when you move from left to right increases, in group when you move from top to bottom decreases. Come to the next periodic properties, electronegativity. Electronegativity of an element is the measure of the tendency of its atom to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself in a covalent bond is called electronegativity. Hydrogen, the least electronegative element, the electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1 and that for chlorine is 3.0. The more electronegative chlorine pull the shared pair of electron towards itself, therefore H becomes plus and Cl becomes minus. And electronegativity has no unit. It is the number measured by various scale like Pauling scale and Mulligan scale. Electronegativity in period left to right increases, in group top to bottom decreases. Application of electronegativity. Predicting the nature of bonding between the atoms in a molecule, electronegativity values are used. If the difference between electronegativity of two atoms is exactly 1.7, the molecule has 50% ionic character and 50% covalent character. If the electronegativity difference between two atoms is greater than 1.7, it is more ionic. If the electronegativity difference between two atoms is less than 1.7, is more covalent in nature. And my dear students, in this video we discussed about periodic properties, atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, electron affinity and electronegativity. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.